Not every Ferrari needs to scream. Some simply seduce. And the 2026 Ferrari Roma? It's the gentleman's Ferrari, the coupe that whispers power with a Roman accent. In today's video, we dive into the latest evolution of Ferrari's grand touring masterpiece. It's fast, it's refined, and it might just be the most beautiful Ferrari of the modern era. The 2026 Roma continues the La Nuova Dolce Vita design language, but with sharper detailing and a more sculpted presence. The updated grille breathes elegance, while revised LED matrix headlights give it a modern edge. The rear end remains unmistakable, clean, pure, but now with active aero integrated beneath the skin. It's not aggressive, it's graceful. A car that turns heads without needing to shout. Step inside, and the Roma welcomes you with the warmth of a luxury lounge. Ferrari has fine-tuned the cabin for 2026 with a new haptic feedback infotainment system, a curved digital driver display, and refined materials throughout. Soft-touch leather, aluminum accents, and laser-etched speaker grilles remind you this is a Ferrari made for cruising and carving. Even the passenger gets their own digital display, because in this car, every seat is first class. Under the hood, the 2026 Roma retains Ferrari's masterpiece, a twin-turbocharged 3.9L V8, now tuned for sharper throttle response and reduced emissions. You're looking at around 620 horsepower, 0 to 60 in just 3.2 seconds, and a top speed of 200 plus mph. It's not just quick, it's civilized. Magnetic suspension adapts in milliseconds. The 8-speed DCT shifts faster than thought. And with 5 driving modes via the Manettino dial, it's ready for date night, or track day. The 2026 Ferrari Roma is a reminder that power doesn't always need to be brutal. Sometimes, it can be elegant. Effortless. Art. What do you think? Has Ferrari mastered the art of restraint, or do you crave something louder? Let us know in the comments, give this video a like, and subscribe for more high-end automotive design, performance, and storytelling.